warming up. So once you've warmed up, you've done your show, it's very, very important, Emily, to cool down.
Yep.
Lactic acid is an acid that basically goes into muscles to help its recovery. That's what lactic acid is. So that's why if you go for a long jog, later that day, 1 hour, 2 hours, your muscles will become stiff. It's actually there to help you out. It's actually there to say, hey, look, let's rest. But it's a good thing to move that out and stretch as well too. That's why when you finish, especially a very intensive exercise, it's always good to stretch after it, and or even the next morning as well, especially as you get older like me. Stretching the next, I just have to stretch in the morning now, just as a general rule. Yeah. But yeah, cooling down is very, very important as well too, especially if you've got a show the next day. So important. I'm always cooling down after all my classes. I cool down, just a little bit of an doesn't take me long. I do it for a couple of minutes. That's all it is, and then I just go along my way. I hydrate a lot, and then I cool down, and then I go and do whatever I need to do after that.
Yep.